Hi everyone, I am Yasuka and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I'm going to show you a massage technique called thumb walk. I learned this technique in Reflexology. I'll demonstrate it on my forearm because I can easily anchor around it with other fingers. Put the thumb on the area you want to work on and you're going to bend or hook and you straighten, keep the skin contact and move up just a little bit and hook again. And repeat. It looks like a warm inching on your skin. I'm only moving about 1/3 of my thumbnail length. You don't have to completely straighten your finger or lift your finger. Also, you don't have to do it fast or your thumb will be very tired quickly. And since you're digging in the tip of your thumb, don't do this if you have long fingernail. This technique is very useful for detailed work like in reflexology and places where you can wrap the target area around with other fingers. I would not use this for a wide flat area like the back. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.